we are going to see about lines and lines. What we are going to learn in this chapter? First, we are going to learn different types of lines and difference between straight lines and curved lines. How to draw figures by using different type of lines and curves. Now let's get started. First, we are going to see the types of line. There are different types of lines depending upon their position. Number 1, that is standing line. Number 2, that is sleeping line. Number 3, that is slanting line. See, this is sleeping line. We can also call this as horizontal lines. Sleeping line, that is also called as horizontal lines. Next one, that is standing lines. This is also called as vertical lines. Next one, that is slanting lines. See, you can see different type of slanting line, left slanting and right slanting. So, you can see different types of lines around us. Indoor, windows, box, computer, table, books, everywhere you can see these kinds of lines. This horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line, or this sleeping line, standing line and slanting line, also we can call it as straight lines. These three lines are called the straight lines. These are called the straight lines. Next, by using these type of lines, we can draw n number of shapes like square, rectangle and triangle. See, in square and rectangle, we are using 2 standing line and 2 sleeping line. In triangle, we are using 2 slanting line and 1 sleeping line. Next, we are going to see about curved lines. See, curved line is not a straight line. In curved line, we have open curve. See, this is open curve, like this, open curve. And also we have closed curve. See here, the different types of curves you can see. See, by using these curved lines, you can draw circle or oval. Now, by using this curves and lines, we can make different types of lines. For example, you can draw a straight line, and this is curved line, and also you can draw wavy line. This is wave. Like wave, you can draw line, and this is zigzag line, and also you can make dotted lines. See here, vertical line, diagonal, that is slanting line, horizontal line, that is sleeping line. This is called the parallel lines. See, when you are drawing some picture, you can use these kinds of lines to make the picture. Can you find the different types of lines in the bicycle? Yes, now we are going to mark the lines. See, we have n number of lines and also curves. For example, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. This is also slanting line and also n number of curves in the picture. Look at the picture. See, while writing the numbers, we are using the lines and curves. See here, we have two circles over here. One is for curved line and another one is for straight line. See, the both lines are joining here, right? So, we will see one by one. First, curved lines. While writing the number, we are using only the curved lines. For example, 0, 6, 3 and 8. In these numbers, we are using the curves. Next one, straight lines. While writing 1, 4 and 7, we are using the straight lines. See, in the number 2, we are using the curve and also the line. In 5 also, we are using straight lines and also curve. In 9 also, we are using curve and then straight line. So, both together, curve line and straight line together, we are writing these numbers. Next one, letters using lines and curves. Look at the letters. See, in these letters, we have many straight lines and also some of the letters we have curves. For example, I, A, E, L, V, H, F, T. In these letters, we are using straight lines. W, X, M, Y, Z, K and N also we are using straight lines. 0, O, C, Q, G, D, J, U. In these letters we are using the curved lines. See here, P, R. In these letters, we are using both the lines and also curves. B, we are using the line and also the curve. 8, 3, S, 2. In 8, 3 and S, we are using only the curve. But in 2, we are using the curve and also the straight line. Look at the dancing lines. In this picture, you can see some dancing dolls. Look at the picture. In this picture, you can see some straight lines, slanting line, and sleeping line, straight line. All the lines together, we can draw these kind of picture. In day-to-day life, most of the activities we are using these kind of lines and curves. Look at the picture. In dancing, we are using these kind of lines to make a posture. See, look at this doll. It has n number of straight lines. Slanting line, again slanting line, slanting line. See, look at the legs, slanting line, and also n number of curves also will be there. See, look at this picture also. Straight line, curve line, slanting line. So, it's very important to know about the shapes. We can also inculcate in our day-to-day life. See, look at the fingers. It also indicates some straight lines. See, this is curve. The face we can make it as curve, and this hands and all, it shows the straight lines. Now we'll come to the traffic signal. See here, you can see n number of straight lines and also curved lines. Now, you all know that the traffic signal. The red denotes stop, yellow denotes wait, and green denotes go. So, while drawing the traffic signal, we can use sleeping line, standing line, and slanting line, and also we can make curves. Next, see the traffic policeman. He is showing some actions to stop the vehicles and move the vehicles. He is showing some postures. First one, stop vehicles approaching from front and behind. So he is stopping one side of vehicles and he is allowing the another side of vehicle to move. So he is showing this kind of signal. This is hand signal, and also he is showing another kind of signal like this. See, holding the vehicles, he is showing this type of signals. In traffic, day-to-day life, in traffic signals also we are using these kind of lines and curves. Next comes traffic signals. See, while going to some other place, we can able to see these kind of signals in the roadside. See, no left turn. See, this is also made up of lines and curves. This is the signal for turn left ahead, and this is the signal for turn right ahead, and this is the signal for no parking, and this is the signal for speed breaker or hump. Next comes a fantastic drawing rangoli. See, while drawing rangoli like this, we can use n number of shapes, lines and curves. This is to understand about lines and curves is very important to create such a drawings like this. See, while drawing this kind of rangolis, we want to know different types of lines and also about the curves. By using these type of matchsticks, we are going to create n number of pictures by using these lines and curves. See, if you know about these lines and curves, you can create n number of pictures like this. So, I hope you all enjoy this lines and lines chapter.